Hello friends, welcome back. This is Manish Pandey. Today in this video, I will show you the new design of UiPath orchestrator. That design is called Apollo design. If you see here, this is the new orchestrator. Right side you can see there is one change, that is tenant. It means from here you can change the tenant as per your requirement. If you are working on production, you can select production. If you are working on administrator, you can select administrator. So you can just select and you can start working on that. Now here if you click on this admin, it means this is the orchestrator for this admin tenant. It will redirect to the orchestrator. Now here you can see a design of the Apollo design. This has been changed now. Left side in the profile, if you click on this, we are getting 3 to 4 options. One, that is your username. Second, that is language. You can select the language, and based on your selected language, this UiPath language will be changed. Here we have a light theme. Currently I selected light theme. You can change the theme of this orchestrator. You can select the light theme to the dark theme. You can select auto select theme, and this is the sign out option. You can sign out from here, and again you can also select the tenant from here also after logging into this UiPath orchestrator. Here we are getting folder option, in which we have 2 folders, classic and modern, and then here you can link assets, you can link queue, you can work on this thing, you can start a job, you can assign user, you can edit or delete these folders. If you click on edit this classic folder, you can change the name, you can put the description, you can also delete this classic folder from here. Here you can see we have one plus option, plus button, where it shows that create new. So create new means you can create new process directly from here. You can create new trigger. Trigger can be queue trigger or time trigger. You can create new queue, assets, bucket, action catalog, and test set. It means once you click on process, it means new process create page will be appeared. So once you click on this, it will redirect to the specific process page where you can start creating your process. It means instead of searching the specific folder, the tab, and then go to that, you can directly click on plus, and you can search your thing. Like you want to create process, you can directly click here. You want to create trigger, you can click on that. So you can see here, currently if I need to create trigger, I need to find out the trigger option here, and then you can see currently we are not getting here that trigger option, right? So to create trigger, we need to go to the automations, then we need to create a trigger, and then we can click on add new trigger, right? Now if you click on this plus and then click on trigger, you can see directly you will be on the trigger page. Click on tenant, that is specific tenant, this folder, this option, then you will be getting different option. It means now you are getting create new package, create new role, create new folder role, create new directory, new machine. So that can be machine template or cloud machine pool or a standard machine. You can add credential store, and if you click on any folder, classic or modern folder, it will give you the another option to create process or trigger. So these are the options we are getting here. You can, in the modern folder, you are getting different things. You are able to create new subfolder in the modern folder, but in the classic folder you will not able to create subfolder. If you see here, click on classic, and you can see here, you will not able to create any subfolder. In the classic, you will able to directly add the robots. Now here in this new orchestrator, you will able to create, add the standard robot or floating robot from here. You can add the environments here, you can add the queue, you can add the assets. So there are lots of things has been changed here in this UiPath orchestrator with the Apollo design. I hope you like this video. If so, then please like this video and please subscribe. Thank you so much guys. Thank you so much for all your support. Thanks. Bye.